If you've ever stuck to your macros but still felt stuck on your journey, this video is for you. Today we're talking about a silent saboteur that affects weight loss, cravings, sleep, and more. And that is stress. And I'll show you how to get ahead of it with 3 simple steps that could transform not just your diet, but your life. Let's dive in. Point number 1, identify your top stressors. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a trigger. It spikes your cortisol, increases your cravings, and can throw your whole keto rhythm off. That's why the first step is to get clear on what's actually stressing you out. Grab a notebook and write down everything that's weighing on you. Work pressure, lack of time, relationship conflict, negative self-talk. No judgment here, just plain honesty. Awareness is the first step toward power. Once you can see your stressors, you can finally start to take control. Point number 2, develop a custom strategy. Now that you've got your list, it's time to create your keto stress defense plan. For each stressor, write down a strategy that fits your lifestyle. Feeling overwhelmed by work? Try time blocking and give yourself real breaks. Struggling with food choices on busy days? Batch cook or prep grab-and-go keto snacks. Dealing with negative self-talk? Practice daily affirmations. You are making progress. Social pressure or fear of missing out? FOMO? You are your own best health advocate in terms of reaching your goals. Stay the course with keto. Your stress plan is like your meal plan. It's there to support you every step of the way. Point number 3, build your keto defense stress plan into your routine. Managing stress isn't just a one-time thing, it's a habit. Set aside 10 minutes each week to check in. Ask yourself specifically, what stressed me out this week? How did I respond? What can I do differently? Just like your prep meals, you can prep your mindset. Stress doesn't have to be controlling of your journey. You have control of it. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more keto mindset tips. And in the comments, tell me, what's one thing you're doing this week to reduce stress? Remember, keto isn't just what's on your plate, it's about what's on your mind. You got this. See you in the next video.